Hey there.
Creative minds.
What if I told you that in just 5 minutes?
You could unlock the secrets to mastering Adobe Illustrator like a pro.
Yes, you heard that right. Just 5 minutes.
Today, I'm sharing 5 incredible tricks that have taken me years to perfect, and they can take your design game to new heights. These are not just any tricks, they're the kind that will make your work stand out and earn you more than just applause. So grab your tools, because what you're about to learn is going to be a game changer. Let's dive into 5 minutes of pure Illustrator magic.
Customizing fonts.
Customizing fonts. This means you can resize, reshape, and modify individual characters, enabling you to create one-of-a-kind typography designs that stand out. The ability to customize fonts gives you creative freedom to tailor your text to fit the specific style and message of your project.
Pathfinder.
Pathfinder tools in Adobe Illustrator are essential for combining, dividing, and manipulating shapes to create complex designs. They allow you to merge multiple objects into one, subtract one shape from another, intersect shapes to keep only the overlapping areas, and exclude overlapping areas to create unique cutouts. These tools are great for refining your artwork, creating new shapes, or customizing existing ones by breaking them down into different components. Understanding the Pathfinder tools is key to mastering vector design and achieving precise, professional results.
Curvature tool.
The curvature tool in Adobe Illustrator is designed for creating smooth, precise curves with minimal effort. Unlike the pen tool, which requires placing anchor points and adjusting handles, the curvature tool automatically generates curved paths as you click to place points. You can easily switch between curved and straight segments by double-clicking or toggling the path's behavior, making it a user-friendly option for drawing freeform shapes or refining existing paths. It's ideal for creating flowing, organic shapes and allows for easy adjustments to the curves by simply dragging the points.
Flag effect.
The flag effect in Adobe Illustrator is a warp tool that allows you to create a wave-like distortion on objects or text, mimicking the appearance of a flag fluttering in the wind. By applying this effect, you can curve your design into a smooth, flowing wave, giving it a dynamic and three-dimensional look. The effect is customizable, allowing you to adjust the wave's amplitude and frequency to achieve the desired level of distortion. This tool is particularly useful for adding motion and a sense of fluidity to otherwise static designs. The flag text effect in Adobe Illustrator warps your text into a wavy, flowing shape, giving it the appearance of a flag rippling in the wind.
Scale tool.
The scale tool in Adobe Illustrator allows you to resize objects proportionally or non-proportionally by scaling their width and height. It can be used on any object, including shapes, text, and groups of objects, to increase or decrease their size. You can scale an object by clicking and dragging, or by entering specific values for precise control. The tool also offers options to scale strokes and effects along with the object, ensuring that the design elements maintain their relative proportions during resizing. This tool is essential for adjusting the size of your artwork without distorting its overall appearance. I truly hope everything is clear to you, but if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to check the description box and ask away.